Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you one very good opportunity coming from Ordinary School for the role of data science guys, and many of you are knowing that the demand of data science is increasing day by day and there are multiples of job opening in the career platform. So guys, in this video I will tell you one best platform to learn this skill along with placement assistant. So in detail guys, I will tell you everything required qualification and is there any criteria or not. Okay, so let's start guys. So you can see Ordinary School data science courses, and in Google guys 4.7 rating is there out of 5. So you can check out, and here's some highlights they have mentioned: join and get hires, live bootcamp with placement assist. Okay, it means guys they will teach you, train you, and after that place you. And if you have any doubt, so live doubt session is also there. So you can see live instructor lead bootcamp and job guideline in 6 months. So duration for this bootcamp is only 6 months, and project based learning is also there, and unlimited job opportunity. Okay, and many companies are hiring through this platform guys. An important date for upcoming cohort is starting from 13th of September, so you have times. And bootcamp fee will be 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and no cost email option is also there, 5,500 per month only. Okay, so fee structure we will discuss in detail. Okay, but before that let me about the courses, what the skill you gonna learn in this 6 months. So you can see courses module are divided in two parts: core module and in elective modules. So you can see in core modules guys, you're gonna topic cover like SQL, Python, static, EDA, machine learning, business intelligence, storytelling, GitHubs. And in elective guys, Power BI, PySpark. So these are the skill you're gonna learn in this bootcamp. And also guys, they offer to you to work in a project, whatever project currently running on industry. So you can see what a great curriculum without project based learning. So right now 10 plus data science project running on industry. So you can see COVID-19 credit card approval, hence insurance prediction. So just scroll right to left and you can see many projects currently running on industry. Okay, and also in case if you have any doubts and queries, so live doubt session is also there. So you can see learn data science while you clear your doubt, live session guide you how you can present your project. So here's some highlights they have mentioned, so you can check out. And also they will help you during placement guys. You can see some additional career services provided through this platform. So you can see power ahead in your career with career services like resume building, mock interview, behavioral skill workshop, online profile building, industry interaction, and unlimited job opportunity. Okay, and many good and big companies also hiring through this platform. So here you can see right now 500 plus companies are hiring, and companies like Google, Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, TCS, and Cognizant. So many good and big companies are hiring through this platform. And right now guys, 375 job opportunity available for our learner this week. So you can see snapshot, 375 data science job opportunity available to our learner this week, and medium package will be 7 LP and highest package will be 26 LP, and top job role offered through these platforms guys. So you can see data analyst, data engineer, machine learning engineers, and data scientist, Power BI developer. So this all top job role offered through this platform. And also guys, many students are getting placed to this platform. So you can see in case if you have any doubts and queries, you can directly contact them on LinkedIn. So their LinkedIn profile URL is there, so just click on this one and after that you are redirected to LinkedIn page. And also guys, mentors are working in industry, so they have better knowledge and experience. They will teach you and guide you in better ways. So you can see meet our mentor and speakers. So you can see Dr. Mohit Sevak, he is working as a principal applied AI research at Microsoft, and Saurabh Roy, he is working as a data scientist at IBM. So mentors are already working as they have better skill and knowledge. They will teach you and guide you in better way. Okay, so although we have discussed every important highlight except fee structure and required qualification for this opportunity. So required qualification for this opportunity, any graduate can apply for this opportunity. If you are passionate about learning and want to start your career in the field of IT company or in the field of data science, then you can join this bootcamp. Okay, and batches guys, fresher and experienced, both batches can apply for this opportunity. Means below 2023 batches can apply for this opportunity. 90, 20, 21, 22, and 23 batches can apply for this opportunity, and all branches can apply for this opportunity guys. If you're from non-IT background, then you can also apply for this opportunity, and there is no any prerequisite because they will teach you from scratch. So if you don't have the knowledge of any programming language, then you can also apply for this opportunity. Okay, and you can see fee structure they have mentioned. So final fee will be 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000. So your final fee will be around 17,000, and no cost email option is also starting from 5,500 per month, and also no cost EMI option is also there for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months and 12 months, and per month guys only 5,500 only. Okay, and important date guys, upcoming cohort is starting from 13th of September this month. Okay, and your seat reservation fee is only 5,000 plus GST, and this platform is also trusted by many students because here refund policy is also there. So in case if you don't like the courses, so your full fee will be refunded. So you can see, if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within the first 10 days from the start date, your fee will be fully refunded. Okay, so this platform is also trusted by many students. So although we have discussed every important highlight guys, but before planning, don't forget to check FAQ section because here some general question answer are already done. So you can see what will be the project we are looking for. So you can see data science courses we will work on around 10 plus project, and duration for this data science courses 500 hours of learning. So some general question answer are already done. So before blank, don't forget to check FAQ section, and after that simply apply for this opportunity. And not everyone gonna shortlist for this opportunity guys, but you can try for this opportunity. Okay, so how you can apply for this opportunity guys, you can see one registration form is there right side. So just fill your first name, last name, email ID and contact number and year of graduation. So if you're from 2023 batch, just select this one, and experience if you're fresher than none, and after that request a call back, and after that they will contact you. Okay, so this is how you can apply for this opportunity guys. So if you face any problem, you can do comments, and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description. So check description for more information guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you're rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.